Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you want to install Roblox on your Mac? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or one powered by Apple Silicon. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Brave, but Chrome, Safari, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download Roblox Mac and hit Enter. Click on the first result, which should take you to the official Roblox website. Once you're there, look for the Download Mac app button and click it to begin downloading the installer. After the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. If you see a security prompt saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. Roblox will now start installing and configuring everything it needs. This may take a few moments, so hang tight. Once it's done, you'll see the Roblox welcome screen. At this point, you can safely move the installer to the trash since it's no longer needed. Now go ahead and log into your Roblox account. If you don't have one yet, just click Sign Up to create a new account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, pick any game from the Recommended for You section and click Play. Roblox will launch, and you're ready to start playing. And that's it. You've now successfully installed Roblox on your Mac. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and gaming tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments if you get stuck. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.